let's review the Avand Vector road bike from United Cycles. Well guys, the bike is assembled. It does look nice, the color combination is really nice. Before we take it for a ride, let's first stare at it. Now, let's take it for a ride. Well guys, let's start the review with the frame. This is an all aluminum frame and it's quite comfortable. The frame design is quite nice. It's not too loose, it's quite rigid and it feels nice and confidence inspiring when you're putting some power down or enjoying a nice leisurely ride. The other advantage of this frame is its internal routing of cables. So having internal routing of cables, you get nice clean lines and easier to clean and lower maintenance on the cables themselves. And now let's talk about the drivetrain. The drivetrain of this bike is a full Empire drivetrain. At the back, you have 11-speed cassette, and on the front, we have 2 cranksets. The wheelset on this bike is an Avand house-branded wheelset. Both the hubs and the rims are from Avand. This has 700 by 23 tires mounted on it. Now the brakes. The braking on this bike is by 140 mm mechanical disc brakes. These are from Nut and do offer good stopping power. Now let's talk about rider contact points. The seat, the handlebar and the pedals. The seat is Avand's own house brand seat. It is comfortable and allows you to put down power when you want. The pedals on this are metal pedals from Velgo. So they do offer good grip while at the same time being not too heavy. The handlebar on this is an aero handlebar. So having an aero handlebar, you do get good palm support and a little bit of aerodynamic advantage. This aero handlebar is mounted on a 110 mm stem. And the headset on this bike is from Nehru. Quick release is available on both the wheels. So you can take the wheels out and, well, put it inside your car if you need. With a price of 59,900, this is the Avand Vector road bike. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Do share with your friends. And until next time, safe ride everyone.